Do you have pet dogs but hate all those plastic horrible toys that they eat and poop out and ends up in the environment? Well, if you want something cheap, easy and organic, this rope is really good for making pull type toys and throw toys or whatever you want to make out of it. It's called sisal. Costs a couple of dollars a meter. Buy it in a roll, buy it by the meter from some hardware shops. It's quite hard to cut. Just gonna cut a piece now. Put a couple of knots in it. Put a double knot in it, whatever you want to do. Let the puppies play with it. And when it's completely skanky and manky, you can just put it in your garden, put it in the compost. It is 100% natural. There is nothing synthetic in here.